All right, hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is May 23rd when I'm recording this, and boy, today was a heck of a day, wasn't it? The only stock that seems to have been up today was NVDA. They blew out earnings. Everyone's happy about it. They also announced a stock split. So yeah, they were up. Just remember, if you guys like what I'm going to be showing you today and you think you want to come on over and check out more, come over for that trial. Got some great stuff, and we were just right on it this week. We're doing really well. So pretty much this whole week, I was like, I don't think that the market's going to go that much higher. I do think it's going to be pulling back. We got that pullback yesterday. So we got that pullback yesterday. And then we got a kind of a gap up, and it did not work. So we got a gap up with this NVIDIA, and it didn't hold. I mean, we could just see that the internals were negative. This thing started selling off. And so what I actually did is I went over to the NASDAQ because I kind of thought there was more premium there. So I sold calls. Sold a call spread right here, the 460 call spread, 0-day, and that worked out beautifully. So that went to zero. So I got to capture all that premium right in through there. And then I actually, well, let me come back over here to the SPY. I bought a, let's see, what was it? 524. It was a 524 put on the SPY. Now, I was a little bit off with my timing. I got it for 10 cents, and I sold it for 25 cents, so a little over 135%, 150%, something like that. So I got that right and made that put. And I'll tell you, that put, if I had bought it a little bit better, went 1,000%. 1,000%. And this is the kind of stuff that I am working on, and I'm going to be showing you guys over the next few weeks and months as I kind of build this. But there were puts and things that went 1,000 to 2,000%, and I'm finding ways of how to catch them, and this was it. But you can see here when price sliced through the hourly 50 and all that, there was a good move to the downside. And as I said, I got it. I just got a little too early, so I didn't get quite the appreciation, but I still got 150% out of it. Plus, I got those calls that I sold, so that worked out really well. And then as far as this move, we also shorted this stock, the S&P through SPXS. We went long the inverse ETF just as a hedge for the day, which was nice. And we'll have to see where this thing goes. Honestly, I don't know how far this is going to pull back. It was kind of brutal out there. And let's see if we get maybe a bounce tomorrow. We'll have to see, and then we just kind of see where this thing goes. I am not really bearish on the market, but I was expecting a pullback, so I'm on the happier side that we got this, because it means it should lay the groundwork for more opportunity in the future. But yeah, we've been waiting for this. We got a little pullback yesterday, and then we got a bigger pullback today, and so we'll see where this thing keeps going. But yeah, so far so good, and we'll just kind of hang tight until the market shapes up and gets going again. All right, guys, thanks again. And remember, if you're interested in this, and as I said, I'm going to be talking more about these options that I'm doing. And yeah, they're working out pretty well. 0-day. Fun stuff. All right, guys, we'll see you at the next one. Thanks. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.